So now I'm about to do these turbo lines, the ones that go right here. Brand new turbo lines, you feel me? So those gonna go right there. Let's get it. And I'm gonna replace these, replace this one, replace that one, this one right there. Place our lines, put our things back, put the turbo gasket seals on, put the turbos back on, and pow, this side of the motor will be done. So, enough of me talking, man. Let's get to it. Alright, so I basically went through and changed all the turbo lines. This one's new. Pretty easy, just pull them out, find the one that looks like the new one, and swap it out. Put that one in. I had to bend this bracket down a little bit because it didn't fit, but now it fits perfect. Then right here we got another line, that's on there. And we have this line right here, that's on there. Then we have the center line for the main oil feed. That's right there. So it's mainly 4 lines. I believe this is a coolant, no. Okay, it's 4 lines. So this is a coolant line. This is a coolant line. This is where the oil gets the oil pressure from. And it's the oil drain. These two. Then we have 2 more coolant lines. And that's pretty much it. The other 2 coolant lines go to the pipe and then whatever. And that's pretty much it for here as far as coolant lines and all that. So you have 4 ones like that, 2 in the middle, and then 2 more. So remember, coolant, coolant, oil feed, oil drains. Then we got 2 more for coolant. That's pretty much it. Get it, got it, good. All right, now I got the turbo ready to go. I just put the gaskets on. You feel me? 1, 2, 3 on that one. Now with the lines, you gotta put this one up. This one's gonna stay under. This one's gonna go up. Pretty much one. Set it down so these don't fall off. Now just the lines. So, of course that line was going right there, but first, let's go a little more down. Put the oil line right here. Gotta grease that up, put that one on. Start getting it cracking, y'all. So yeah, man, now the turbo's on. The lines are on. Now I just gotta bolt everything down on this side of the manifold and ready to go, man. Be ready to go. Alright, so I'm gonna tell y'all a little trick about removing the rear main seal. You get a screw, you drill a hole in it, and then you get some pliers. And bang. It's out. You just clean up around the edges, you know what I'm saying, and get prepared to install the new one. It's that simple. Look at that. Out of there, still clean, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, you know how your boy do. Alright, so you clean everything up, then you get this green primer. You put that on the sides right there because that's gonna make the sealant work, you feel me? Then I got a little scratch up there, so I'll put a little bit right there too. And then have the rear main seal. I put a little bit of oil on the parts that's not getting the Loctite type deal, you know what I'm saying? So I put oil around the parts that's not getting the Loctite. So basically everything could slide in together. So hold up, let me get that right. Alright, so I got everything pretty much lined up, ready to go. I got, see that right there, that right there. Everything's pretty much lined up. Now I gotta start tapping on it. Alright, so now your boy's about to make the transmission to the block. Now see, I got one jack right there, another jack right there. Let's get it, man. Alright. Over this bottom line that goes on the front turbo goes right there. Really cracking. Right there. And there's one right here. With that.
All the push rods are lined up. Then they're going to go to torque the torque sequence. It is a messy business.